Welcome to Chesapeake RV Solutions. Larry, check out this nice trade-in I just got. This was bought brand new from us.
That's a trade?
It's a trade, I know. It looks brand new because it basically is brand new. And the savings you're going to get because it is pre-owned. So come on down and save you some money. But Larry, this thing only weighs 3,000 pounds.
Well, hold it now.
Yep.
You know when they get the light trailers,
I know where we're going with this.
They don't have half of the stuff inside that most of them do.
You're exactly right, Larry. Normally they have the little dorm refrigerators, the AC, window ACs that you can get at Home Depot, Walmart, wherever.
Right.
This is what we're going to do, though, Larry. This is the 16RKB. Let's go inside, and I'm going to show you what this thing's got.
Okay.
Well, Larry, now that we're walking inside this unit, ain't no dorm fridge in this sucker, buddy. They're about this little. Gosh. You got 10 cubic fridge in here, just like in the regular size IBEXs.
Right.
There's nothing different. 12 volts, buddy.
Wow.
Not only that, but while you're right there, Larry, you got a microwave that's a convection oven, air fryer. It does a little bit of everything.
And an air fryer?
And an air fryer, man. I know people don't think that, but it says it right there. So it's an air fryer. Got one of our favorite sinks in here.
Oh, yeah,
Got that aqua flow, does all kinds of stuff. Me and Larry have done a video on it. So if you want to see more about that sink and what it does.
It has that high-rise faucet, so you can actually clean up.
Yeah, and the blast system, all that cool stuff on it, man. But even though it has that, where you still have the nice stovetop here. So
Two-burner
stovetop. When you open it up, you got to go backsplash back there. But the big kicker, Larry, is when I'm going to spin around and go. So, Larry, as you know, most trailers this size just have a bed in it. This thing is multitasking over here, man. What I mean by that, you got a U-shaped, huge dinette, not a little one. Nice. I mean, but then you got this table that'll slide back and forth this way with a handle. Okay. And then also when it's down, you have a handle right here. And I mean, it's just that table that we love, man. You put it down, throw the cushions over top. Look how big that could be a bed. Or you just want to kick back and chill because you got a nice TV over here. Watch that.
Well, also, most size trailers this size only have a bed.
I know.
And you got plenty of room for seating.
Could you imagine just sitting here, man, with the windows here, windows there, and a window right there on a nice
What's that sticking out the front window?
Oh, my God, man. That's a bike rack.
That's a bike rack?
You can throw a couple bikes up there, Larry.
Oh, what don't this have?
I know. It's even got a vacuum cleaner. So, I mean, so this is the big kicker. Everybody's going to hit us up on this one, Larry. What? Does it have a toilet in the shower? What we mean by that?
The wet bath.
The wet bath.
Okay.
Let me say that. So let's check it out.
All right, let's see.
Is this a big surprise or not? Oh, heck no. IBEX thought of it all.
Oh, my goodness.
And that's a decent-sized bathroom.
Yeah, yeah.
But while you're right there to the left of you, Larry, look at this. You know it's been cold around here in Virginia lately.
Oh, it has
And North Carolina, where I live. So don't worry about it. Oh. We got all the buttons you need, buddy. Heated tanks on all your tanks. Fresh, gray, and black. Wow. And if you need to go solar, we got 200 watts. You're covered.
Oh, there you go.
So I'll tell you what, guys. I'm going to be here all weekend. Saturday, by all weekend. I'll be here 9 to 3 on Saturday. Come by, take advantage of this trade-in. Take advantage of me. Make me an offer on it. I'll try anything. I'll entertain whatever offer you got.
Please, hit him with a stick.
Do whatever you got. But I'm telling you, I will save you thousands on this RV. So come see Frank or Larry. See you later. Bye.